You may have heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, but Cardano is the next big cryptocurrency investment opportunity. In this video I'm going to talk about Cardano and why it's such a great investment opportunity. I'll explain what it is, how it works, and why now is the time to invest. So if you're interested in learning more about this exciting new cryptocurrency, stick around. Have you ever wondered what cryptocurrencies are all about? If so, you're not alone. Cryptocurrencies are a relatively new phenomenon, and they can be confusing for even the most tech-savvy individual. However, understanding cryptocurrencies is essential if you want to stay ahead of the curve. That's why we're here to talk about Cardano, one of the most popular cryptocurrencies on the market today. So, what is Cardano? In short, Cardano is a decentralized public blockchain that is powered by ADA, a native cryptocurrency. Cardano is designed to give users more control over their data and to provide a more scalable and sustainable platform for developing decentralized applications. In addition, Cardano is built on a scientific philosophy and features a rigorous industrial-grade development process. As a result, it is one of the few cryptocurrencies that is truly backed by extensive research and development. Cardano is a decentralized public blockchain and cryptocurrency project. Cardano is one of the first blockchains to be built on the Haskell programming language. The project started in 2015 and was founded by Charles Hoskinson, one of the co-founders of Ethereum. The development team behind Cardano has been very open and transparent about their work, and they have published numerous white papers detailing their progress. Cardano is designed to be a more scalable and flexible blockchain than previous projects. It uses a unique consensus algorithm called proof of stake, which is more efficient than the proof of work algorithm used by Bitcoin. Cardano also has a built-in programming language that allows for smart contracts and other advanced features. The project is still in its early stages, but it has already attracted a lot of attention from the cryptocurrency community. Many people believe that Cardano has the potential to become one of the leading blockchain platforms. Cardano is a good investment opportunity for a number of reasons. First, it is a relatively new platform with a lot of potential. Cardano has only been around since 2015, and it has already attracted a considerable amount of interest from investors. Second, Cardano is built on a unique blockchain technology that offers a number of advantages over other platforms. Cardano's proof of stake algorithm is more energy efficient than the proof of work algorithm used by Bitcoin, for example. This makes Cardano more environmentally friendly and scalable than other blockchains. Finally, Cardano has a strong team of developers and advisors, including Charles Hoskinson, who was one of the co-founders of Ethereum. This gives Cardano a level of credibility that is often lacking in new projects. Taken together, these factors make Cardano an attractive investment opportunity for those who are looking to get involved in the world of cryptocurrency. If you're interested in learning more about Cardano or any other cryptocurrency, be sure to check out our YouTube channel. We'll help you understand all the basics so that you can make informed decisions about your investments. Cardano's roadmap is ambitious in comparison to other projects but focuses on delivering fundamental shifts in technology that can have widespread adoption globally. Cryptocurrency buyers should be cautious when buying ADA, as it may be difficult to find reliable exchanges that sell the altcoin. Binance is currently the most popular exchange for trading Cardano. Those looking to buy ADA should first set up a Bitcoin or Ethereum wallet, as these are the most common currencies traded for Cardano. Once you have found an exchange that offers ADA/BTC or ADA/ETH trading pairs, you will be able to exchange your BTC or ETH for Cardano. Be sure to do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency, as the market is highly volatile. When it comes to cryptocurrency, there are always going to be risks associated with investing. However, that doesn't mean that you should avoid investing altogether. Instead, you should simply be aware of the risks before you put your money into any digital currency. With that said, let's take a look at some of the risks associated with investing in Cardano. First of all, like all cryptocurrencies, the value of Cardano can fluctuate wildly. This means that you could end up losing a lot of money if you invest when the value is low and sell when the value is high. Secondly, Cardano is a relatively new cryptocurrency, which means that it isn't as well established as some of the other options on the market. This could lead to more volatility and less overall stability. Finally, there is always the risk that the technology behind Cardano could fail or be superseded by something better. Overall, these are just some of the risks associated with investing in Cardano. However, if you're aware of them and comfortable with them, then there's no reason why you shouldn't consider investing in this digital currency. Cardano is a very exciting cryptocurrency project that has the potential to revolutionize how blockchain projects are developed and executed. While it remains to be seen if Cardano will reach its full potential, there is no doubt that it is a good investment opportunity for those looking to get involved in the cryptocurrency space. If you're interested in learning more about Cardano and other cryptocurrencies, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel where I regularly post videos about all things crypto. Thanks for watching.